Alright guys, so if you ever tried creating multiple Gmail accounts, you already know it's not as simple as Google makes it look. Now you create one, you create two, and suddenly Google is asking for phone verification, security checks, and if you fail to provide such information, Google is going to block the account immediately. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage multiple Gmail accounts the correct way. So I'm talking about using the same systems agencies and marketers like I use to avoid Google bans. So by the end of this video, you would understand why Google blocks multiple accounts and exactly how to prevent this using Go Login. Alright guys, so I'm going to be leaving the link to Go Login down in the video description for easy access. So once you click on the link, it's going to bring you over to the Go Login official webpage. Now you can find a lot of information about Go Login, but here is something I want you to know. With Go Login, you can get started for a 7-day free trial, so you can test out things and see how they work for you. So when you click on the 7-day free trial, all you have to do is to create your free account. And I also have a promo code down below in case you want to go for a paid plan. Using the promo code down below is going to give you a whopping discount on any plan that you are going with. So once you've been able to create your account, you should have a free dashboard looking like this. So this is going to be where you're going to be creating your profiles so you can start creating multiple Gmail accounts. All you need to do right here is to click on add a profile. Now once you click on add a profile, what you need to do is to proceed in giving your profile a name. So this would help you separate profiles from each other ones. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and name my profile. Let's say Canada. Okay, that's just a name I want to give my own profile. All right. Now, before you click on run, there are some settings that you need to put in place so you can get the best out of Go Login. And now you can see this exact buttons right here. You want to click on it and you want to select. You want to come over to the settings. All right. Sorry for that. You want to come right here, you want to click on settings. All right, now once you are right here on settings, the first thing you're going to be seeing is the proxy. Now Go Login actually helps you with free proxies so that you can also use them to get in the best result when trying to create multiple Gmail account directly from its dashboard. So now for the Go Login proxy, all you need to do, right guys, is to go ahead and choosing your preferred country. Now what country are you going to be using to browse? What country are you planning to browse from? So for me, because I already have my profile name to be Canada, I'm just going to go ahead and selecting Canada for the country very quick. So here is Canada. Where is Canada? All right, so here we have Canada. So for me, I'm going to click on save, and now you can see we have this profile already created. All you need to do is to come here and you want to click on run. So if you click on run, automatically Go Login would run this profile for you. And from here, all right, now guys, so you can see we already have this brand new browser created for us. So and I'm going to search for create a brand new account. Now I'm going to click on this one that says create Gmail account. And right from here, I'm going to proceed in choosing for my personal use. I recommend you go with personal use or for your business, but don't go with the one for child. Now, right from here, I'm just going to input my first name, and also I'm going to input my last name very quick. And for my basic information right here, I'm just going to select my month of birth. I'm going to quickly add that and also input the day and also the year. And once I'm done, I'm going to go over to the gender section and I'm going to select male for this. Alright, so Google is asking us to add in our own desired email address. So I'm going to quickly write that in here, and I hope that this is actually still available on Google. Alright guys, so I think I'm lucky this is still available on Google. So right from here, I'm just going to input my password very quick. Alright guys, so here we go. Google is asking us to review our account, and you can see we already have that reviewed. I'm going to click on agree to every of Google's policy, and this is it guys. You can see we have a brand new Gmail account. You can see no verification asked. Alright, so if creating multiple Gmail account is part of your workflow, Go Login is not optional. It is a must for you to start using today. And I've got the promo code for you to use. If you exhaust your 7 days free trial, you can use the promo code down below and get whopping discount on your next purchase. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.